Officials in a town use a function c to analyze traffic patterns. C of n represents the rate of traffic through an intersection, where n is the number of observed vehicles in a specified time interval. What would be the most appropriate domain for the function? Okay, so first off, what does that mean, that word domain mean? So our domain are our x values, and what are we talking about in this problem? What will our x values that we see in the choices represent? So if we read this again, our function is c of n, where n, the thing we're plugging in, the input, is the number of observed vehicles. Vehicles just being cars, trucks. So the question becomes, which one of these makes sense to represent number of cars, trucks, buses that pass by? The only one that makes sense is choice 4, because you can't have a negative number of cars passing by. You can have no cars passing by, but that would be your minimum. You can't have half a car passing by, right? It passed or it didn't. So the only thing that would make sense as a domain, as your input, as your what is this function talking about in terms of the vehicles, would be whole numbers.